Yeah, girl. Yeah, girl, you Gucci. You Dolce and Gabbana all. You girl with the top notch. Perfect coming on establishment, yeah. When the whole TikTok don't pay on a blood clot, Rosalee got your back. Alright, so the way you come out, although I don't like you, and you chase me for your bug. But what the way you come out, come talk the things them. See, and the child now fuck. He rise, but every time I mute the people them is not of this parliament. Moderation, remember for mute the girl them who are the boy them on a part of this establishment, yeah. We don't want to hear for them blood clot opinion. What's a way? Right, so come out act. Very get a ball. Well, as you talk to your man, your problem. Well, as you talk to your son, man, your blood clot problem kind of ugly. Man, your problem, Mackrel, kind of ugly and factory the fault no blood clot like myself. Man, your blood clot problem, man, the boy your problem. And the boy your blood clot. But when last you call your son, are you and mama? When me I grow up, my granny used to blood clot tell me, say. You so when father can't say blood clot, no, mama have to say yes. You so when a blood clot woman going like say, a man on a blood clot neck string on a neck tie. When have to do with a man to feel like a woman. If the boy feel like say it's over, make the blood clot boy Gwan. What the boy ever do for you in a life more than breed your ugly, dirty, wormy blood clot? That's all in blood clot do you breed you. Me not see him do you nothing for you. Cause the internet where you portrait it for your pussy clot self. But you're still on a ball and have the pressure of a one blood clot cocky. On a delusional son on a batty man. You're too delusional, Mackrel. Let me the boy go where I go.
Rosalee with a word from Mackrel.
That is never needed. Goal of the truth, goal, where you say you live with a man goal, him work, him give you in a position now where the brother coming to you because the people them adjust to you and them will give you things and Ray. Are you in a position now where you can't help him? What the fuck? Man, there's nothing wrong with that. Oh, if the ball was in your court, if the ball was in his court, she'd have wanted the help as well. So when him a come out, come say never blood clot needed. Cause if she can't wash or she can't cook and him do every blood clot thing, obviously a long time him a do it. So I say what the problem come to now. You're a man, brother. And if you're a baby mother, if you're gonna move on with your baby mother, then you have to come tear her down on the blood clot internet where the girl have whole by enemy. You can't use things. I don't know what me, that's why me. Me no know, I don't know, man, Mackrel ma Google me la. Yeah. Cause me not bring no boy to the forefront, yes so. You want to go on the internet, you have your free will to go into already. But not me not carry you. You should have a problem now. You've been at it long time. Your friend you call back, come back to your yard. So what's your problem now? You're there with that gifter. As always. You understand? You understand? I talk to the gifter. Mackrel should even make that bad a blood clot she. Cause she fucked the blood clot the fact like myself, yeah. When they not look good in a stay good and the boy them I text somebody or chat to somebody allow them. And that's the truth. Yeah, man, brother. And if you're your baby mother, if you're gonna move on with your baby mother, then you don't have to come tear her down on the black internet with the girl have whole of enemy. You should have a problem now. You've been at it long time. Your friend you call her back to come back to your yard. So what's your problem now? You're there with that gifter. As always. You understand? You understand? I talk to the gifter. Mackrel should even make that bad up she. Because she fucked the blood clot the fact like myself, yeah. When they not look good in a stay good and the boy them I text somebody or chat to somebody allow them. And that's the truth. Yeah. Cause me they want my man when I text somebody or talk to somebody. I know, yeah, me leave him and I go blood clot me go do. More no I know you do it, you know. What me I go do? Roll up on Gwan. For what? You can't stop a person to do what they want to do when it comes to their ego. Mackrel them walk and bury down man pan them. If the boy want to talk to a blood gifter, so Mackrel them not cute. She come a top boy my ice bowl. We get top 1 for grade 2. And right now I sing top reader for grade 3. Yeah, 40 and 80 people. Eh? You can't talk to my daughter. Me born my daughter with focus. Me born my daughter with focus. She have to have a vision. You know have a vision, girl? Contact lenses can't hold you. Glasses can't help you. You want somebody lick you back in a focus. You want to flick Mackrel. Put your back on clad focus, dirty girl. Stop come about me. You think like a when cabbage spoil in the water for days. So make all your mouth think as so your pussy think. That's smarty. Go learn for beard. You want beard. Jankro. It's for grade 2. Since while I see the button drop around, I say, what can I do? Come and keep that button coming up general. And she asked me say, you got dash show me button. And I say, no, I not dash show your button. See there. See there. She performing well. This is a surface ticket here. I forgot for him. I don't want to see her name. When you carry her name, I put her name on parchment paper. See there. Wait, say, I can't read. The school where she got present everything of award. Her name and a role. One you can be proud, mama, your first pick and dash it away like dog and I got her. Loud and proud. This is the honor roll. This to go up a mass Trevor. I want a member if I can't go back Trevor, put it back there so. I don't want it crush up. I want carrot about Trevor. I want the cat go back Trevor. Go make Trevor. Put not one vals. What is something name? This something. This something. One vals, this something. You're bright, bum. But then I fuck my daughter. No careless none of they see you. No pedophile no boy. We beat up boy and chop up boy we fuck picnic. And y'all pussy dash her free. I want to sell fuck nowadays when you can't get free fuck. Bride, dirty thinking girl, you're bright. You done fuck you on a little. And you got blood clot England, got lick out batty hole. Man piss by your England Mackrel is a no body.